Hey DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel, where we bring you the coolest tools that can take your projects to the next level. If you're a DIYer, handyman, or just love getting your hands dirty, today's video is for you. We've scoured Amazon and found the top 15 amazing DIY tools that you need right now. These tools are game changers that will make your life so much easier. Let's dive in. Number 1. The ZW70-200GC Electric Stair Climbing Hand Trucks Dolly Cart is a powerful tool for moving heavy items up and down stairs effortlessly. Powered by a 48-volt 10Ah lithium-ion battery and a 400-watt brushless motor, it climbs at 34 steps per minute and can handle up to 117 floors on a single charge. With a load capacity of 440 pounds, a single operator can easily transport heavy items like appliances and equipment. Its lightweight aluminum alloy frame is durable and features a foldable handle and toe plate for easy storage. The cart is simple to operate with a point-touch button, ergonomic handle, and auto-edge brake system for safety. Solid tires offer great maneuverability, making it perfect for moving building materials, office equipment, and more. A safety strap is included to secure loads, making it an ideal tool for both professional and personal use. Number 2. The Malco FS1DL Metal Bender One-Station Disc is a versatile tool designed for bending various types of materials with precision. It can handle 24-gauge steel, 26-gauge stainless steel, 0.040-inch aluminum, 20-ounce copper, and 1 mm zinc. This large one-station disc can create both curved and straight bends ranging from 5/16 inch to 1 3/4 inch, 8 to 45 mm, with a bend radius of 0.059 inch, 1.5 mm. Ideal for making cross breaks, starting bends on flat panels, and adding designs, it pairs perfectly with a removable disc handle, FSH1, for additional control and maneuverability. The removable handle also allows for compact storage, making it convenient to transport and store when not in use. Number 3. The VEVER Pipe Tube Bender is a versatile ratcheting tubing bender designed for bending pipes with outer diameters from 1/4 inch to 7/8 inch. It is ideal for HVAC, air conditioning, plumbing, refrigeration, and hydraulic system repairs. It allows precise 90-degree bends in both forward and reverse directions, perfect for tight spaces and hard-to-reach areas. The tool features a robust aluminum alloy bending head that prevents pipe deformation and includes 7 interchangeable bending dies: 1/4, 5/16, 3/8, 1/2, 5/8, 3/4, 7/8 inch, to handle various pipe sizes. The set also comes with a bearing-type pipe cutter, a deburring tool, and other essential accessories. Its ergonomic design, with an extra-long handle, ensures greater leverage and reduced hand fatigue, while the compact build allows easy one-handed operation. Built with high-quality materials for durability, it has a portable case for convenient transport and on-site use. Number 4. The Malco FSX Power Assisted Metal Seamer and FSXC Power Assisted Metal Cutter are advanced tools designed to streamline the installation and removal of standing seam panels. These tools allow you to mechanically lock 1-inch and 1.5-inch standing seam panels in a single or double lock configuration, reducing installation time and enhancing safety on the job. The power-assisted design eliminates the need for manual effort, enabling contractors to complete more jobs efficiently. The FSXS metal seamer is perfect for locking panels securely, while the FSXC metal cutter swiftly cuts through roofing panels and clips without damaging cutting discs. Both tools are powered by contractor-grade cordless tools, offering freedom of movement with no cords to manage. These tools are ideal for both installation and removal tasks, allowing you to quote and complete more jobs with ease, making them essential for professionals seeking efficiency and versatility in standing seam panel work. Number 5. The EOPOWER Full Electric Pallet Jack is a powerful and compact solution for moving heavy loads in tight spaces. With a load capacity of 3,300 pounds and fork dimensions of 48 inch by 27 inches, it offers the strength of a full electric pallet truck in a mini size, similar to a hand pallet jack. Equipped with a 24-volt 65 Ah gel battery, it provides 6 to 8 hours of working time per charge and features a built-in charger for convenience. The ergonomic handle with push-button lift controls and forward and reverse thumb wheels makes operation simple and efficient. Its compact design allows easy maneuvering through narrow aisles with a 56-inch turning radius and 180 degrees steering arc. The floating balance wheel mechanism enhances stability by preventing side-to-side shaking during movement. Battery changes take just 10 seconds, minimizing downtime and making it an ideal choice for warehouses, retail spaces, and other restricted environments. Number 6. The Multi-Trowel Radius Adjustable Trowel by Innova Tools is a versatile finishing tool for working on irregular surfaces such as domes, curved walls, columns, and round ceilings. Its fully adjustable radius allows it to adapt to concave, convex, irregular, and traditional shapes, making it an ideal tool for various construction and finishing tasks. The trowel features a durable stainless steel blade paired with a reinforced fiberglass engineered plastic handle, ensuring flexibility and strength during use. It is suitable for applying and smoothing materials like drywall, plaster, concrete, sheetrock, stucco, gunite, shotcrete, and rendering. This adjustable trowel is perfect for professionals who need a reliable tool for finishing complex and unconventional surfaces with precision and ease. Number 7. The Bessie KFB panel carrier is a reliable tool designed for the safe transport of wood, chipboard, and other panel materials. With a carrying capacity of up to 75 kilograms, it makes handling large and heavy panels easier and safer. The carrier features movable jaws with a high-quality rubber coating that provides excellent grip, preventing slippage during transport. This ensures a secure hold on materials while minimizing the risk of damage to delicate surfaces. The Bessie KFB panel carrier is perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts needing a sturdy, efficient solution for moving heavy panels with ease. Number 8. The Werner PK70-1 ladder leveler is a versatile and safety-enhancing accessory designed for use on uneven surfaces. It features a levelock leveler with 2 base attachments that remain secured to the ladder, allowing the leveler itself to be easily removed when not needed. The swivel shoes with ice picks on both ends provide a secure grip on various surfaces, enhancing stability during use. This leveler offers up to 8.5 inches of travel adjustment and can be used on either side of the ladder. It is compatible with the Werner MT series and D60-200-2 series fiberglass extension ladders. Constructed from sturdy aluminum, the Werner PK70-1 ladder leveler ensures reliable performance, making it an essential tool for professionals and DIYers working on uneven terrain. Number 9. The GEARENCH 30-piece bolt biter SAER and metric wrench insert set is a versatile and innovative solution for removing damaged fasteners. Featuring a tapered entry, the inserts easily seat on worn or stripped bolts, providing a secure grip. Designed to work seamlessly with static, ratcheting, or open-end wrenches, this set offers exceptional versatility. The inserts have a hex base compatible with 6-point, 12-point, and spline wrenches, enhancing usability across different tool types. With an ultra-thin profile, 70% thinner than traditional extraction tools, it allows access to tight spaces. Dual-sized inserts are compatible with both SAE and metric fasteners, making this set an essential addition to any toolbox for handling various repair and maintenance tasks. Number 10. The EOPOWER 3200 PSI 56-volt lithium-ion cordless pressure washer is a powerful cleaning tool equipped with peak power technology, combining the output of 256-volt arc lithium batteries for up to 3200 PSI at 1.2 GPM, up to 2.0 GPM. It offers 3 modes: ECO, High, and Turbo, with a wand-integrated display for battery status. The pressure washer delivers up to 60 minutes of runtime, with the 2 included 6.0 Ah batteries. Quick connection points simplify setup and breakdown, while a telescopic handle enhances portability and storage. It comes with a 25-foot flexible hose, siphon hose, quick connect pressure washer gun, wand lance, stainless steel wand, foam cannon, and filter. 5 nozzles, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, turbo, and rinse are included for versatile cleaning tasks, making it perfect for various outdoor cleaning needs. Number 11. The super handy electric portable Capston winch is equipped with a powerful DC 48-volt 1296-watt brushless motor, offering a pulling force of 1,000 pounds with a single rope and up to 2,000 pounds with a double rope, making it perfect for forestry, hunting, off-road, and other tough jobs. Its durable steel gears and robust motor operate efficiently in extreme conditions, even as low as -30 degrees Celsius, with minimal maintenance. The winch includes a 2Ah lithium-ion battery, charger, 100 feet low stretch rope, and a sturdy tree strap, but is not compatible with the 48-volt 4Ah battery. Designed for ease of use, it features an instant start button and is safe and user-friendly for tasks like gardening, off-road adventures, and light construction. This versatile winch is built to perform reliably across various environments, offering consistent, high-performance power for all your pulling needs. Number 12. The GEARENCH plastic water pipe welder comes with a 1.6 die head and includes various sizes from 0.79 to 2.46 inches, with additional sizes available at local stores. It's versatile for welding materials like PPR, PB, PE, PV, and other plastics, making it ideal for use at home, maintenance workshops, or construction sites. Crafted with a thickened 6061 aluminum ingot panel, it offers superior thermal conductivity and insulation. The digital display allows for precise temperature adjustment from 0 to 320 degrees Celsius, providing clear visibility of the current temperature. Designed for safety, the welder features a flame retardant and fire-resistant rubber wire and a comfortable, wear-resistant PP handle with strong electrical insulation for double protection during use. Number 13. The SAER cordless electric scissors are designed for safe, efficient cutting across various materials like cardboard, fabric, leather, carpet, and plastic. Featuring a safety start system, the scissors require pressing a safety switch before use, while a metal shield around the blade limits the cutting opening, preventing accidental cuts. A front LED light enhances visibility in low-light conditions. Weighing just 0.91 pounds, the tool is lightweight and ergonomic, with non-slip soft grips for comfortable and precise handling. It's powered by a 4-volt max lithium battery with USB charging, providing up to 25 minutes of continuous use, and includes a power level indicator to track charge. With a speed of 220 RPM and a 1/4-inch SK 1806G blade, it delivers precise straight or curved cuts, outperforming manual scissors. Regular blade cleaning ensures continued sharpness and optimal performance. Number 14. The Jokari 61000 Quadr pliers offer 4 essential functions: cutting, stripping insulation, twisting, and crimping, making it a versatile tool for various electrical tasks. It automatically adjusts to different wire cross-sections within its working range, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. Designed with a focus on ergonomics and functionality, these pliers enable fast and precise crimping of connector sleeves directly from rolls. Reloading connector sleeves is quick and easy, thanks to the tool's switchable magazines, enhancing efficiency during repetitive tasks. Number 15. The Hercules 20-volt brushless cordless 1/2-inch compact hammer drill driver is compatible with Hercules and includes a 2.5 Ah battery. It features a high-performance brushless motor that delivers increased torque, longer runtime, and enhanced durability compared to brushed motors. Its 2-speed transmission accommodates various drilling and driving applications. With 14 clutch settings, The drill provides precise control over fastener drive depth. The all-metal gear construction is built to endure heavy-duty tasks, making it a reliable tool for demanding jobs. It delivers up to 32,000 blows per minute, making it particularly effective for drilling in masonry and concrete. The textured overmold offers a secure and comfortable grip, while the detachable side handle improves control during high-torque work, ensuring both safety and precision. This tool is ideal for professional and DIY users seeking power, versatility, and reliability in their drilling tasks.